I'm Jen, one half of Jen and Joe on the Go, and I've got something new for you today. We're going to do a what's in my toiletry bag. And you know what that means? If I'm going to talk about what's in my toiletry bag, it means we're going on vacation. Where are we going? We're going to Mexico. But that's for another video. All right, so let's get started. This does not include anything for my makeup or the stuff I use for my hair in terms of my blow dryer, flat iron, my brushes. This is just strictly what I need for the shower, you know, getting ready in the morning. All right, so let's get started. First of all, I have this adorable toiletry bag. It is extremely roomy. It's got 2 compartments. It fits everything I need for a quick trip or a long trip. So let's get started. All right, let's start with, I usually try to put things in my bag, like stuff that can leak in one section and stuff that's not likely to leak in another. So when we go on vacation, Joe and I like to pamper ourselves, and I usually grab a couple foot masks. So I've got the Tired Achy Feet from Dr. Scholl's, and then these 2. Because Joe and I love to do foot masks and pamper ourselves and do all the things. All right, I've also got some CeraVe Acne Control Gel in case I get a blemish or Joe gets a zit, we're taken care of. Got my toothpaste, hairspray. This stuff is great because if it's humid, it will really tame your hair so it doesn't look like crap a couple hours after you walk outside. Got my toothbrush in this adorable little toothbrush holder. Keep it sanitary. My native deodorant, because I found out that I'm allergic to everything else. Shaving cream, another hairspray. Probably will only pack one of those. Makeup wipes. Shaving cream to go with the razor.
Yeah, that was the razor, not the shaving cream when you first said shaving cream. Yeah.
All right, we got some Kleenex. All right, these are great. If you're going on vacation, you should start taking these a couple days before you go and then bring some with you. They are the emergency crystals. You don't have to mix these with water. You just literally rip open the top and you, I don't know, it just goes down your throat. I didn't want to say anything that sounded obscene.
Just stick it in your mouth.
Yeah, it's almost like a Kool-Aid powder type of texture. But I find that these really work to keep us, you know, healthier, full of vitamins. Okay, we've got Q-tips, minus the piece of hair. These are good for, you know, helping with your eye makeup, cleaning your ears. All right. Then I've got, what's this? This, I believe, is a cleaner for your eyeglasses. All right, this little container in this bag, I keep it in here because I don't trust this not to open. This is my pomade for my hair. It's in this little tub. I think I got like a variety pack of 5 containers to put different products in. But again, I put it in a Ziploc bag just to be safe because I don't want to get to my hotel and have things spilling all over the place. All right, this contains a whole bunch of things. I've got my Oral-B teeth flossers. Again, going back to Joe and I like to pamper ourselves. We've got the Stella and Grace eye patches, eye masks. These are great. They feel so nice and cold under your eyes. And Joe and I like to do them before we go to sleep or first thing in the morning. We've got some acne patches, just in case you get a big zit. So hopefully this will make it go down. Band-Aids and a nail file. So we've got that. So that takes care of the first side. Now the second side, this is stuff that I'm afraid would leak. And I will put some of this other stuff in plastic bags as well. But Joe and I like to use the Frenchie. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's by Ashley Tisdale. You can use this as a body spray, as a room freshener. But we like to spray it on our pillows before we go to sleep. So we like to have, you know, the comforts of home on vacation. All right, we've got, this is my hair straightening gel so I can style my hair better. I've got poopery because, you know, we're going to be in Mexico and nobody wants to smell what may come out of the bathroom. It's a good thing to have on vacation. All right, we've got, I bought the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner on vacation because I don't tend to like what's offered in the hotels. This is not something I normally buy because it's really expensive. At home, I just use Dove, Suave, Pantene, whatever happens to be on sale during the week. But again, on vacation, you want to pamper yourself. This is my moisturizer from The Ordinary. That's a great line. Got my Tide stick in case Joe or I spill on ourselves, which happens a lot. All right, we've got my Kristen S. Heat Protectant Spray. Kristen S. has the best products. I love her shampoo, her conditioner, her shampoo mask or conditioning mask. I have the leave-in conditioner. Her products are great. If you don't use them, I highly recommend. We've got some facial sunscreen, the Supergoop. I like this one. It's the sheer screen. It doesn't have the white residue. It comes out really clear on your face. Love it. Great coverage. Expensive. That's why I only buy the travel size. We've got mouthwash and facial cleanser. I know this will most likely leak. And then instead of packing perfume this time or lotion, I treated myself to the is it pronounced Rio de Janeiro? No, Sol de Janeiro. This was a 3-piece kit. And I love it because it's got the Bum Bum cream. Hold on, let's smell this. Oh my God, that smells so good. But that takes care of my lotion. If I can close it up. We've got the body spray. Oh, it smells good. And then in here is the body wash. All the scents are the same. It's the, what number is this? Number 68. The Baja Floral body wash, Baja Floral. So yeah, that is basically everything that is in my toiletry bag for vacation, whether we're going to Disney World or we are going to Mexico. These are just some of the things we like to have with us. Whether there's stuff we use every day or stuff that we are going to use to pamper ourselves because we're on vacation. So thanks for following along with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action. Because hopefully before this, you saw exactly where we're going and how long we're staying and all the things. And coming after this, I think we're going to do a pack with me and I may even do a what's in my plane bag. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.